Today I'm going to show you guys how to create these vertical chevron stripes. These run up and down your crochet piece, and they're a very easy, fun way to add some texture to your project. To begin crocheting these vertical stripes, you're going to need to begin with a foundation in the multiples of 4 plus 1. I have 17 here, and I did a foundation row of single crochets, and then for your second row, you need to crochet a row of half double crochets. So I already have my first and second row done. For row 3, you're going to begin with a chain 1 and a turn, and you're going to half double crochet in your first stitch, and then half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So there's 1 and 2. So that's actually 3 half double crochets. So 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to skip 3 stitches. So skip 1, 2, 3. Now in the next stitch, you're actually going to drop down and work a front post treble crochet from 2 rows below. So this is the stitch, and you're going to drop down to this next row and work a treble crochet front post stitch. So again, this is your 4th stitch. We're going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3. So in this stitch, drop down a row. So right into that post right there. So yarn over twice for the treble crochet, insert from the front, pull that post from the front, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 more to complete that treble crochet. Now, since we worked 1 stitch, we're going to skip 1, which you can kind of see if you turn your work. You're going to skip this 1 stitch, and in this next stitch right here, you're going to work a half double crochet. And you're going to do that in the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so you can see that this is your first bar for that vertical cable. Now we're going to repeat this again. So you're going to skip 3 stitches, skip 1, 2, 3, and then in the next stitch, which is your 4th one, you're going to drop down 1 row and work a front post treble crochet. So it's on this post of that stitch. So yarn over twice, pull that post to the front, whoops, and then complete your treble crochet. Oh my goodness. Yarn over twice, go into that post, and complete your treble crochet. And then you're going to skip that stitch, that first one, and then you're going to half double crochet in the next 3. So sometimes just rotating your work a little bit helps you identify what stitch to start in. 2, 3. I'm going to do one more repeat here to show you. So you're going to skip 3 stitches, skip 1, 2, 3. So this is the 4th stitch, and you're going to drop down 1 row. So if you just drop straight down to that next stitch, you're going to work your treble crochet around the post. So yarn over twice, grab that post, and then complete your treble crochet. Okay, you worked 1 post stitch, so you're going to rotate this back so you can see the tops of your stitches. You've worked 1 post stitch, so you're going to skip 1 post stitch and work into this next one. So half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and you should have 2 stitches left, and half double crochet in both of those last 2 stitches. All right, so now for row 4, you're going to chain 1, turn, and this is a very easy row. You're just going to work a half double crochet in the top of each stitch across. There's different ways to work cables, but this is my preferred way. I always do the front side working the cable, and then on my back return row, I simply work just a basic stitch. So we're going to work a half double crochet all the way across this row, and then we'll return to work row 5. So to work row 5, we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to half double crochet in the first stitch, and the next stitch. And then this is where our repeat will begin. We're going to start with half double crocheting in 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to work a front post treble crochet around the first post from the 2 rows down. So you're just going to grab that post right there. So yarn over 2 times for the treble crochet, grab that post, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you're going to skip the stitch because you've worked the post, so you're going to skip the stitch of the current row, and now you're going to repeat working a half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So skip this one, we're going to work into this one right here. Yarn over, insert your hook. There's 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to have our front post treble crochet around the post from the prior row. So yarn over twice for the treble crochet, go around that post, pull up a loop, and finish the treble crochet. We worked 1 post stitch, so we're going to skip 1 post stitch on the back. So we're going to begin our half double crochets in this stitch right here. And 3 half double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to again do another front post around the post from the prior row. Yarn over 2 times, grab that post, and complete the treble crochet. Okay, we worked 1 post stitch, so you're going to skip 1 past here, and in the last stitch, you're going to complete a half double crochet in each of the last 2 stitches. Oh, sorry, there's actually 3 stitches in that row, or 3 half double crochets. Okay, so row 6 row of half double crochets is completed. We're going to chain 1 and turn our work. And for row 7, we're going to begin with our half double crochet in our first stitch, and then a half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2. So we have now 3 stitches at the beginning of our row. So row 7 is actually a repeat of row 3, except for this time it's easy to identify where to grab that post stitch because we're going to grab it right here. So we're going to front post treble crochet around that first post. So yarn over twice and grab that post and work your treble crochet. Again, you worked 1 post stitch. You're going to skip 1 on your current row and go into the next one. So now 3 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And again, it's time to do another post stitch. So you're going to grab that post that's already out, yarn over twice, insert around that stitch, complete that treble crochet. You've worked 1 post, so you're going to skip 1 stitch on that current row and go into the next stitch right here. Okay, and you're going to continue that repeat, and you can kind of see that that chevron is starting to run up vertically along your work. So again, this is a beautiful fun stitch that you can just repeat those rows over and over to get this fun little vertical textured stitch.